Heavy rain has forced several KwaMakhutha families south of Durban out of the comforts of their own homes.
Kwangena amanzi ngena ngempela enkini ngathatha ingane yami ngayibeletha ngathatha izinto ezincane zokugqoka lezi ezazikhona ezayisondele saphuma nhlanhla leyo legcekeni imizi mithathu khona umuzi sabalekela kuona okhona legcekeni sabalekela kuona sonke sosihlangene kuona lo muzi siba u8 kuona lo 4 room loyo umzimba uvumi ngilala nje kusofa
nathi siyakushwama lokhu ukuthi sibone ngalesi sikhathi ukuthi kuvele kwehle isehle esinjengalesi ngoba besingasilindele ngempela ukuthi amazangaze agcine sefika ezindlini ezongena phakathi edamage impahla edamage impahla ehlukumeza nomphakathi.
Residents have blamed the blockages on property developers dumping soil near the streams.
So when the city did not apply its bylaws, it also doesn't come to rehabilitate the land because they could have done that as well. Yes, it's next to a stream, but possibly wouldn't be in a condition in which you are at.
Affected families will be relocated to temporary shelters, adding to the growing list of people waiting for permanent housing. The Human Settlements Department says homes will be built in Konubia, Hammersdale and Shallcross, despite resistance from communities.
And the issue of municipality of eThekwini just have to consult the stakeholders so that it becomes easier when we start the process of building. Because right now, by April, the minister must appropriate the funding towards the province of KwaZulu-Natal.
During damage assessments, officials visited other families devastated by heavy rains on the KwaZulu-Natal south coast. Zanele Buthelezi, Durban.